I'll be replacing this boring shifter to this.
You're all a bunch of fucking assholes. You know why? You don't have the guts to be what you want to be. You need people like me.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, as promised, I'm going to be installing an F80 shifter on my car. You guys know a couple weeks back we installed the F80 cluster. Turn her on. And that went well, but now I finally got the adapter in, and you guys know I've had the shifter for a little bit. My shifter arrived. This thing's in mint condition. So now we can finally install it. This is the adapter it came with. My hands are dirty because I was doing my valve cover on my 135, and I'll actually show you guys in a second. I kind of ran into a problem, but it should be all fixed now. But this is the adapter from Bmwcodingguru. Obviously it plugs in to the original plug on this, if I can find it. Yeah, right there. And then the plug from the car will plug into that. I gotta figure out where, I think I'm gonna sticky tape this to the side. I just gotta see what side is like basically open whenever I install this. I got it from Naughty Auto Parts, shout out to him. Got it to me really quick all the way from Cali. But yeah, this is like $150 for the adapter. So yeah, it's coming along nicely. I still have to install the F80 interior. I haven't got around to that yet as well. So you guys can see all the hardware for the valve cover here right now. So honestly, I was in the middle of putting everything back, and your boy low-key over torqued, and let me see if I could find it. I literally had to use a vice grip to get it out. I got so lucky, y'all. I thought I was gonna have to take this car to a shop and whatnot. You guys can see the head right here, so that snapped off. Trying to find the other end that I got out of the car. I don't know, but your boy, oh, it's right over here. You guys can see that right here. Your boy used a vice grip. It stuck out literally that much, and I got lucky, and I was able to barely get that vice grip on it and twist it out. Guys, when I thought my world was over, oh my god, you guys should have seen me. I was stressing, bro. But I'm so glad I was able to get that out. I went ahead and ordered some titanium valve cover nuts from VTT, Vargas Turbo. The same thing I got the B58 coil packs from, and so I 2-day air shipped it, so hopefully it comes in a couple of days. Today is Friday. I know it won't be here this weekend, maybe Monday or Tuesday, so I'm gonna have to leave that valve cover job alone for now and basically focus on the wagon. You guys don't understand the type of stress I was going through with that valve cover when that snapped. Oh my gosh. I'm just relieved that we got it out and I was able to order some new hardware. But guys, looking at this might be the only screw that might be in the way, so we might have to take apart the center console. I'm gonna see if I can get by that. Hopefully I can, but I'm just trying to look at the spacing to where I'm gonna mount that adapter to, and it seems like maybe the back side here I can get away with a little bit. Not too sure. Obviously I'm gonna have to try it and see, but I'm gonna see if I can get this off without having to remove this whole center console, because your boy's not really trying to do all that. Also, I finally got my unit for up there, so I'll be putting back this as well, but I'll probably do that tomorrow because it's going to be a rainy day, and at least I can be inside and work on it. So I might work on that tomorrow. If you haven't checked out my most recent video, I did a little rant about how the internet doesn't really like my headlights. It was just to post some content. Also, like, it's just a lesson. Don't worry about what people think about your car. As long as you like it, do what you want to do. And you should be able to look at that video in the top corner. Go watch it after you watch this one. So you are going to have to remove this little cup holder piece. So a trim set. It was just a T20 over here, and then the shifter screws are a T25. I'm hoping that I can just remove this unit and then be able to do everything I can without removing everything fully. So I just removed the old one, and I just loosely put in this new one. Now what I've seen is that if I let that rest under there just to see if this would impede with the way the shifter sits, and it sits completely fine and nothing's in the way. As you can see, I got it plugged in right there. I'm probably gonna leave it like this because it's not gonna go nowhere and it's gonna be right on top of carpet. So it's just like any of these other loose wires moving around. I mean, you could double side tape it, but like I try to put it to this side and there's not enough room, and then to wrap all the wires around, it's just a hassle. So I let it hang underneath, basically sitting. It's not directly on it, but there's a little space, so it's not resting on it, but this does sit flush. So I'm gonna go ahead and screw this back. This already feels so much better. So whenever you do this to your car, you always gotta wait. You gotta lock your car for 20 minutes and then come back and then start it up. So I'm assuming because I have the adapter with this as well, I have to do the same thing. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Give her a start up. Alright, so now that that died down, neutral works, reverse works, and drive works. I can go in and out of gears, no issue. And then to go into park, you need to put it in neutral, but hold it all the way to the left. Park. Boom. She works. Alright, boys, I just put everything back. Everything's back installed. Man, this thing's so beautiful, man. I love this thing. This is probably going to be a quick video. Just want to get it up there and stay consistent for you guys. It wasn't too hard of an install. Like I said, I do have the new head unit to put back, so probably the next video I'll be installing all of that. And yeah, guys, we're almost there. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, I finally pulled the trigger on some coilovers. I did go BC Racing, but the company that I'm doing it with, I now have an affiliate link with, so that's why I went with them. And also they told me they had it in stock, ready to ship, so that should be coming to me soon, and then we can obviously do the first test run, first drive. Super excited for that. I know you guys have been waiting for that, so I figured why not, since we're still waiting on the parts, we fix up this interior back a little bit, put that wiring all the way back, and basically make sure this car runs and drives. I do need axles for the rear. I need one axle, but I think I'm just gonna swap out both. Why not? So I'm gonna go ahead and order that as well, and then should be smooth sailing from here, hopefully. And I can't wait to put that content out for you guys. So appreciate you guys for tuning into this video. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.